Hello. So actually I was searching for a good hair treatment and very long time. So one of my friend, he suggests me the Hairfree Hairgrow because he got the very good result. So now I'm here. Let's see what is happening and how his treatment is going on. Hello, my name is Nilesh and I'm 36-year-old and I'm from Bhindar. So actually I was started this facing this hair loss issue from when I was in 8th standard, and after that I tried so many applications, so many oil, but nothing was happen. And then finally I come to use this cap, and now I am to just remove this cap. So for that I was searching for a good hair treatment clinic. So finally I came to know about this clinic. One of my friend he suggested me. Then I came here and I have a very doubt. So doctor tries to explain me everything and he explained me very good. So now today is the day of the surgery. So I'm excited as well as I'm nervous as well because I don't know what is going on, what is happening over here. So let's see. Finally here to do the treatment. Hello, I just finished my surgery and overall experience was very good. Whatever doctor consulted me, that is all included in the surgery. Very minimal pain was there when graft is implanting. Otherwise, there is no pain at all. And as of now, I'm happy now. I'm waiting for the good result.
What we've gone, a chance to rebuild what was won. With honesty guiding my stride this time.